Okay, we're going to have a look at examples 4 and 5 for simplifying surds. In examples 1, 2 and 3 we use this rule here that when we have got terms multiplying within the square root we can split them up individually. Okay, so example 4, we are going to simplify 12 root 8. Okay, so notice here this time we've got a number multiplying the surd itself. Before we just had the surd itself. Our approach doesn't change. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the square root as something times something. So we need to rewrite 8 as something times something. So 8, we could have 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. We choose the option with a square number, which is 4. Okay, because 4 is 2 squared. Okay, so that's what we've done. 2 times 4. We're then going to use our rule up here. So we're going to split up this surd. So we're going to have 12 lots of root 2 times root 4. We know what the square root of 4 is. The square root of 4 is 2. That's going to become 12 times root 2 times 2. We can multiply our whole numbers, so we're going to have 24 lots of root 2. And finally, example 5. Let's imagine we were asked to simplify 10 root 18. Okay, so we obviously want to rewrite 18 as something times something. These lists that I'm doing at the side here, you should hopefully be able just to do in your head, and in your head identify, okay, which factor pair has the biggest square number. Here it's going to be 2 times 9, because 9 is a square number. 9 is 3 squared. So we're going to rewrite this as 10 of, and in this time I'm going to write it as 9 times 2 rather than 2 times 9. It doesn't matter the order that you do it. I probably actually recommend writing the square number first, because it might make the calculation look a wee bit more straightforward. It's going to become 10 times root 9 times root 2. We've chosen this option here because we know what the square root of 9 is. The square root of 9 is 3. It's going to become, sorry, that's going to become 10 times 3 lots of root 2. Multiply the whole numbers, 30 root 2.